welcome to Mahi Ruhi Creativity.
Hi Ruhi.
Hi,
What are you doing?
I'm playing with the puppets.
Wow, it's so colorful.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, so many color. Ruhi, I have an idea. Let's do a colorful painting.
Yes.
Do you like painting?
Yes.
So I give you a challenge.
Challenge? Yes, I love challenge. What is the challenge?
Oh, in the challenge, you have to make a colorful painting using hand. It's a hand painting.
Okay.
Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ooh. Okay, let's go.
Let's go painting. Ta-da!
This is my piece.
This is my bed and this is my colors.
Yes, Ruhi is going to use Rangila watercolor. Okay, Ruhi?
रंगीला
Yes, its name is Rangila. Okay,
क्यों बोलते हैं मम्मी?
I don't know. Okay, let's start painting.
Yes. First, I make the rainbow and cloud. Huh? Start.
So, first of all, Ruhi will take color in a plate. Okay. Using wooden stick.
This is water.
Okay. 2 drops. Only 2 drops. Enough. Now mix it.
Now mix.
Okay. What are you making?
A rainbow with clouds.
Okay. Using fingertips, you are making cloud. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now what will you do?
Fill it.
Okay, fill it. It's done.
Now it's a cloud.
Yes. अब दूसरा cloud.
Maybe बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर हो गया.
No. It is on right place. It's okay. Oh, you are dancing. Okay. It means you are enjoying. Right, Ruhi? Okay. Okay, Ruhi. Be careful. Concentrate on your painting. It's done. Now what will you do next? You will wash your hand.
Yes.
Yes. Wipe your hand.
Rainbow.
Okay, next. Rainbow. So first color you are going to use?
Red.
Red. Okay. Okay, good, Ruhi. The next layer in rainbow is yellow. Be careful. Don't mix yellow with red. Oh, it's okay.
Yellow, red makes orange.
Oh, yes. Yellow and red make orange color. Oh, so funny fish. Next layer is
Green. जल्दी मुझे करना है, मुझे प्रेजेंट चाहिए.
प्रेजेंट चाहिए. Okay, do it fast. जल्दी करो.
जल्दी नहीं करना है. धीरे धीरे करते
जल्दी करेंगे तो खराब हो जाएगा. What?
Doni. I'm so fun. To make the peacocks.
Okay, you are going to make peacock using thumb.
Peacock have beautiful feathers.
Yeah, beautiful, colorful feather.
I want to go to Peacock Bus. Let's make butterfly. Let's go butterfly. Let's go butterfly park. Oh park. Let's go.
Now Ruhi is going to make butterfly. Okay, 2 red color butterfly and
One
yellow
butterfly.
butterfly.
One
Good.
yellow butterfly. Now done.
Now let it dry. Okay, let it dry because we need to make face of the baby, eyes for the peacock and eyes for the butterfly. Okay, let it dry. Right, Ruhi?
Oh no! This grass sugar. Grass sugar sugar.
Okay, but we need butterfly to get dry.
A few moments later.
Using black sketch, Ruhi is going to make eyes, beak for peacock and leg, baby's eyes, baby hair. Oh, Ruhi, you forgot to make a balloon as babies. You can imagine babies are playing with balloon. First make eyes and hair. Good. Eyes, mouth, smiley. They are smiling. Hand. Good. Leg. Good. Red balloon, green balloon. Now our painting is finally ready. Show your friend, Ruhi.
My painting is done. Paintings.
Okay, your painting is ready. Now tell me what is made by you. Tell me everything.
Cloud, 2 cloud, 2 cone, 1 rainbow, two babies, 3 balloons,
And 3 butterfly.
3 butterflies, and 1 peacock, and grass.
Grass. Are you happy?
Yes.
A few moments later.